Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Facebook account locked. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you need to go to your browser and search for Facebook Help Center. After that, there will be this interface. Then you have to click on the first link, that is Help Center Facebook. Now there are 6 options, but our desired option is login and password. Click on this. Okay, after that you have to scroll down and you can see there are 4 options. So you have to click the third option, which is fix a login problem. After that you have to scroll down to the bottom and you can see a option that is recover your account if you can't access the email or mobile number on the account, which is under the section of password help. So click on it, scroll down again to the bottom, then you can see was this helpful. You have to click no. Then you have to select the second option, which is the solution doesn't work. After that you have to write your application like my account has been locked, and you have to send the details of your account like your account ID and anything more you want to add. After that you have to click submit and Facebook customer service will look after this and hopefully you will get a solution. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.